P.1. How are you today? Welcome back to your IP English time. Woo! Do you remember me? I am your new teacher, Teacher Val. Wow! Okay, P.1. Are you ready to start? I am ready. But before to start our lesson, I would like to check your homework. I want you to prepare a pencil, an eraser, and your workbook. Please open the page 6, part A. Okay, P1, let's start checking your homework. Look at the picture number 1. What do you see? I want you to think. Is it a lake or a cloud? Well done. This is a lake. Let's continue. Picture number 2. What is it? Tree or flower? Right, this is a tree. Good job, P1. Okay, our third picture. Is it a bird or a butterfly? How do you think? Great, it's a butterfly. Well done. Let's continue. Picture number 4. What is this? Flower or cloud? Right, this is cloud. Cloud. Okay, what is going to be next? Picture number 5. Is it a flower or a lake? Try to check. Good, it's a flower. And our last picture, number 6. Is it a bird or a tree? Let's check together. Good, it's a bird. Okay, P1, thank you for your homework. And now it's a game time. Okay, I would like to explain you first how to play this game. The name of this game is Word Order. Okay, I want you to look at the picture and jumble letters and then put letters in the correct order. Okay, let's see. Do you know what is this? Right, it's a cloud. Cloud. Okay, I have a clue for you. The beginning letter is a capital letter, C. Okay. What is going to be next? Right, it should be L. Okay, how many letters do we have in this word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. What letter is going to be next? A? No. It should be letter O. Good. Let's continue. So, what letter will be next? Is it D? I'm not sure. No, it should be a vowel. Okay, it's letter U. Good job. And our last letter for this word is D. Wow! Great job, P.1. Let's continue our game. What do you think? What do you think on this picture? This is a tree. Tree. What letter should be first? Let's think together. Letter T. Good. T. What about the next letter? It should be letter R. R. So let's continue playing our game. The next letter is a vowel. Vowel. It's letter E. Right. And how many E should be in this word? Do you know? Right, 2 letters E. Tree. Could you repeat, please? Tree. Okay. Continue doing our game. Wow! Do you know what is this? Right, it's a bird. Very beautiful bird. Okay, what is the beginning letter of this word? I have a clue for you. Do you remember? The first letter is a capital letter. Try to choose. Great, P.1. It's letter B. B. What should be next? Bird. Bird. Well done. This is letter I. Okay, so 2 letters left. What will be next? Nice. Letter R. Good one. And the last letter is a consonant. What is this? Letter D. Well done. Okay, excellent, P.1. This is the word bird. Please repeat. I don't hear you. Please repeat. Bird. Bird. Okay, P.1. Great job. Let's continue playing our game. Do you know what is this? It smells so good. I like it. Right. It's a flower. Flower. What is the beginning letter of this word? I have a clue for you. Do you remember? The beginning letter is a capital letter. Right, it's letter F. F. Could you repeat, please? F. Okay, what is going to be next? Right, it should be L. L. Good job. Okay, our third letter is E. O. Good, it's O. Flower. Flower. Let's continue. Wow, what is this? It's W. W. Could you pronounce it? Flower. Flower. Okay, 2 letters left. What will be next? Letter E. Well done. E. Okay, and our last letter of this word is B. No. R. R. Okay, P.1. Great job! We finished with our game. Let's continue. Wow, it's your homework time. I want you not to forget about your pencil, your eraser, and your workbook. I want you to open your workbook on page 6, part B. I will explain you how to do this exercise. Okay, look at the picture 1. What do you see here? Please write the correct answer near the picture. For example, I can see a bird. Good. Just write a bird. Bird. Okay, look at the second picture and do the same. Okay, P.1. Thank you so much for this lesson. I hope you had fun today. See you next time. Bye.